fell to the trails of Houston, Texas. We don't only sing, but we dance just as good as we want. In Houston, we just started a new dance called the Tighten Up. This is the music we tighten up with. First, tighten up on the drum. Come on now, drummer. I want you to tighten it up for me now. Oh, yeah. Tighten up on that bass now. Tighten it up. Yeah. Now let that guitar fall in. Oh, yeah. Tighten up on the organ now. Yeah, you do the tighten up. Yeah, now. I said if you can do it now, you sure will be tough. Now look here. Come on now. Now make it mellow. Then tighten it up now. Do the tighten it up. Everybody can do it now. So get to it. We're gonna tighten up. Do the tighten up. You can do it now. So baby get to it. Do your left now. Do your right. Everybody can do it. But don't you get too tight. Come on and tighten up. Tighten it up now. Tighten it up now. Tighten it up. Do the tighten up. Come on and tighten it up. Tighten it up now. Come on now, Billy. Tighten it up. Oh, yeah. Sock it to me now. Tighten it up. Come on. Tighten up there, baby. Oh, yeah. Come on, tighten it up, baby. Come on. Now, look here. I want that guitar to fall in on there. Tighten it up now. Oh, yeah. Now, tighten it up, Augie. Yeah, now everybody tighten it up now. Now look here. We gonna make it mellow for you now. We gonna make it mellow now. Tighten it up. You can get it. Move to your left, move to your right. Tighten it up now. Everything will be out of sight. Come on and tighten it up. Tighten it up now. You can do it. So baby, get to it. Fool that I am for falling in love with you, and fool that I am for thinking you love me too. You took my heart, then played the part. Oh, a little coquette. Just disappeared like the smoke from your cigarette, and I'm fool that I am for hoping you understand, and thinking you would listen to, and all sunshine drift across my face. It took me back to emotions from another time and place. Those yesterdays, cruising in my Chevrolet. I held promised I'd never tell. After all the beer, breath in my ear, at the Moonlight Hotel.